So Sasha, we heard you built this house in 7 days and we need to know how you did it.
How is this happening?
Yes, we did. Or beside the beautiful finishes that you've just seen, guys, there is something which you cannot really see. This house was built using a Panelup prefabricated building system using Bondor structural insulated panels,
So
which is what we have right here. Alright, so our most innovative product is the external walls, which is
That's this thing, is it?
this here. Yeah.
And so does this come in all different colours and different variations and so you can make your house?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So this house was built using a prefabricated system. So these are like a row of panels. So these walls get cladded. So on top of this is external wall. On top of this, we would apply a cladding or even brickwork or COLORBOND on it. Pretty much whatever you want. You can achieve any finishes.
Okay.
On the internal side, you put plasterboard on top of it.
Okay.
So when it's all cladded and plasterboard goes on, you can't really tell what's on it.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. So this is the InsulWall. It's a SIP panel. It's a structural insulated panel made by Bondor, Australia. So Bondor supply panels to us. They come to our factory, and using the individual panels, we would put them together and we create a pre-made walls. And then we cut the doors and windows out of it. We will put any service channels in it, any structural posts we might go in it, and then the whole wall would come to the job site, and then we just put it in place.
That is amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it. Can you build one for us?
So we can.
Do you
Same with the
deliver?
plane.
Do you deliver anywhere in New South Wales?
We will cover most of the New South Wales
Okay.
this stage, and we are looking at expanding and trying to cover Australia.
That's
But
brilliant.
Bondor is the manufacturing company that actually makes the panels.
Bondor. Sounds like a movie. This summer, Sasha and Bondor. Don't miss.